The 2013 Dodge Dart Mopar 13. Chrysler has unveiled the first details on a new limited edition vehicle set to be unveiled at next month's Chicago Auto Show. The new Mopar 13 Dodge Dart will join the current lineup of limited edition vehicles offered by Mopar, Mopar 10 Dodge Challenger, Mopar 11 Dodge Charger and Mopar 12 Chrysler 300. This special Dart will be distinguished by a gloss black finish with a pair of car-length Mopar Blue stripes, plus a very cool aerodynamic kit and an updated interior. The new Dodge Dart Mopar 13 will be limited to only 500 units, and will be put into production this spring at the company's assembly plant in Belvidere, Illinois. Each customer will also get a limited edition sketch of the vehicle signed by Mark Trostle, Chrysler Group Chief Designer for the Mopar brand. Updated January 31, 2013, this review has been updated with the official details, images and specs. Update June 13, Dodge has released pricing details for the Dart Mopar 13. Click past the jump to read at least how much it's going to cost you to own one. Hit the jump to read more about the Mopar 13 Dodge Dart. Exterior. The new Dart Mopar 13 will feature an aerodynamic kit that includes a new front chin spoiler, a one-piece deck lid spoiler, plus a very aggressive rear diffuser. The car sits on a set of gloss black 18-inch wheels with a Mopar logo and will be further distinguished by a Mopar badge in the grille. The car will be painted in a combination of gloss black and blue racing stripes. Interior. The same black and blue combination continues on the interior, where Mopar added blue leather seats with black accents, blue paint and lighting for the centerpiece, plus numerous other blue accents to go along with light black chrome and gloss black elements. The list of standard equipment includes Industry first wireless charging for smartphones, Blue stitched leather-wrapped steering wheel and shifter knob, Bright sport pedal kit, Premium Mopar carpet floor mats, Door sill guards, 8.4-inch navigation screen. Drivetrain. Under the hood, the car features a 1.4-liter multi-air intercooled turbo engine mated to a manual transmission. Final specifications haven't been revealed just yet, but for sure it will be a little bit more than the standard 160 horsepower offered in the Dart. Mopar also included a performance-tuned exhaust that will make the engine sound even more aggressive. Suspensions and brakes. The Dart Mopar 13 will also feature some suspension upgrades to help improve its handling. Each customer will get a performance steering gear calibration, a 7mm (0.27-inch) lower ride, plus a premium brake system inspired by Mopar race cars. Also, the 18-inch wheels will be wrapped in high-performance tires sized 225/40 R18. Prices. The new Dodge Dart Mopar 13 will be limited to only 500 units, and will be put into production this spring. Dodge has announced that the Dart Mopar 13 will come with a base price of $25,485, not including the $995 destination fee. Competition. With the updates offered by Mopar, this special version Dodge Dart will get a little bit closer to high-performance versions of competitors like Hyundai Sonata or Kia Optima. 2013 Kia Optima Sxl. Last year at the 2012 Chicago Auto Show, Kia unveiled the Optima Sxl Limited, which is powered by a 2.0-liter turbo GDI V6 engine that delivers a total of 274 horsepower. We expect the Dart Mopar 13 to come close to this output. The problem with this Optima is its roughly $35,000 price tag, but you should expect something similar for the Dart Mopar 13. 2013 Hyundai Sonata 2.0T. Hyundai, on the other hand, offers the Sonata 2.0T, which is priced at less than $25,000 and is powered by a 2.0-liter Theta 2 turbocharged gasoline direct injection engine rated at 274 horsepower. This is definitely a viable option, if you are looking for similar performance only, but the Dart's updated appearance puts it over the top. Conclusion. Any updates offered for such a cool car like Dodge Dart make us very happy, but in this case, we are wondering if it really worth the likely sky-high price. Of course, you will say that we have no price or specifications just yet, but a price of at least $30,000 is a near certainty. Would you pay that much for a sedan powered by a 4-cylinder engine? Love it. That black and blue combination is stylish. Highly equipped interior. Great handling. Updates. Leave it likely very expensive. No specifications announced.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.